Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I will be going over how to make a button that takes you to the camera. For example, this is the app. We'll be building this app, and when you click the button it'll take you to the camera page so you can take a camera. Just bear with me one moment, sometimes there's a lag. So that's the app we'll be building. So first thing we do is you get your project and your activity. If you don't have one, build a new one with the empty activity. Call it camera button. So I've already built mine, and here it is. For the layout, change it to the to linear layout if it already isn't. We'll be starting on the activity main, and first thing we do, delete the text view that normally comes with it, and then after that, we add our image view. You have to excuse my laptop; it's behaving a bit weird. It's a bit of a lag, but anyhow. So for the layout width, put match parent, and for the height, put in the fill parent. Okay. Now, once we've done that, put a width. And we're going to click on weight, and for weight we put 9. So once we do that, we're going to put in the Android ID, and we're going to call it image view. Okay, so once that's done, I'm just going to close it. Okay, so once that's done, we're just going to add in a button. So for width we put match parent, and for height we put wrap content this time. And again we put the Android weight, and we're going to put 1 for the weight this time. I'm just going to put the ID at the top. You don't have to. For some reason I just randomly did that. I guess it's a habit. We're going to call it button. You can call it what you want, but probably a good idea to call it, put it button camera. I'm going to call it button camera. Okay, and I'm just going to close it. Oh, one point I forgot to mention. For the layout section here, add these two: Android orientation vertical and Android weight sum 10. So I'm just going to go to this section, and for button, we're going to add. I'm just going to put camera button. Camera. Okay. Now, once that's done, I'm going to go to our Java section. Just to make sure your image view should be like that, and your button should be like that. So once that's finished, go to your main activity, and just add in the top here, add a button called button, and an image view called image view. So once we've done that, we're just going to attribute our. What I'm going to do is we're going to attribute our button from here to this. We're going to link and connect the two. So button equals button defined by UID RD and button camera. So we're linking the back end to the front end. So we're doing the same now for image view. Other ID and oh, whoops. Okay, so once we've done that, we're gonna create our button on-click listener, which is essentially we're creating what this code here does. It makes when you click the button, it makes it do something. So I'll just click button, set on-click listener, new on-click listener. Okay. Now, once that comes up, just add in your intent. Intent is oops. So, equals intent. New in media store dot action image capture. Okay, now below that, put in start activity intent / 0. Okay, once that's done, we're going to create this start activity for result. So what we're going to do is what we're going to do is type in below the so below this part here, below this override, we're going to create another override. So just type in on activity. So it should be this one that comes up. Should be the first one that comes up. So just make sure everything's okay. So protected void, integer request code, integer result code, and intent data. So we're going to leave that. Don't delete that. But under it, we're going to add in our code. So we're going to add a bitmap equals for love, bitmap. Excuse me, bitmap. Bitmap. So hold on, this thing's starting to